In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to find your WordPress PHP error logs on Hostinger. If your site is crashing, showing a white screen, or acting strangely, checking these logs is the single most important step for troubleshooting. I will guide you through the process of enabling debug mode and locating the file so you can fix your site quickly. If this video helps you solve your hosting issues, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical guides. Let's dive straight into the dashboard. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you are logged in, head over to the website section, locate your specific site, and click on Dashboard to access the management panel. From here, you need to reach your site files. Scroll down or look in the sidebar for the File Manager. Click on it to open the directory of your website. Once the File Manager is open, you will see a list of folders. Look for the public_HTML folder and click it. This is the root directory where your WordPress installation lives. Now, look for the file named wp-config.php. Once you find it, right-click on the file and select Edit. This will open a text editor directly in your browser. Within this file, you need to search for the line that says wp-debug. By default, this is usually set to false. You need to modify a few lines here to activate the logging system. Please update or add these specific lines to your file. Set define wp-debug true, set define wp-debug log true, and set define wp-debug display false. Setting display to false is very important because it prevents your site visitors from seeing actual error messages on the front end, keeping your site professional while you debug in the background. Once you have entered these 3 lines exactly as shown, click the Save button at the top right of the file editor. Now, every single error your site generates will be captured. To view these errors, navigate back to your file tree inside the File Manager. Look inside the wp-content folder, and you will see a file named debug.log. Anytime WordPress runs into a PHP error, it will write the details of that error into this specific file. You can simply double-click that file to read through the logs and pinpoint exactly which plugin or theme is causing your issues. Once you have finished diagnosing and fixing your site, don't forget to head back into your wp-config.php file and set wp-debug back to false for security and performance reasons. That is how easy it is to manage error logging on Hostinger. If this tutorial helped you get your site running again, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I have plenty more WordPress and hosting tips coming your way soon, so stay tuned for the next guide.